So as I share, these bastards, they destroy their victim piece by piece. They, it's when you say 24/7, it's actually a 24/7. When you're sleeping, they don't even let you sleep. For many days, they don't let you even sleep. But when they do, they keep your brain engaged, keep inflicting synthetic telepathy or V2K, voice to skull. So brain doesn't get to the the level of rest it requires. And now they are nuking my skull, and these are the hair that I lose every time I take a shower every 2-3 days. So they destroy piece by piece. This joint venture of bastard Western Satanic nations, when I say Western, it includes everybody, and their dependents, the immigrants, refugees, they use them widely in there. And religious fanatics, primarily Islamist, they leave their victim with little or no options. Look at me, for several years in every location I suffered, and they use their all group of people, from little preteens, very little child, to the old farts. And the women, who they were one of their main tools, because West is dominant by female, and they are fooling these women, female from third world religion in the name of whatever. The women who need to look into their personal lives and characters, what they've been doing the entire life. They really need to look into that. Their life is full of filth. I know that. I lived there. I experienced that. I observed that. And I have seen them. And in front of ordinary population, they show them respected, civilized, and entirely different image.